This video will show how easy it is to migrate from a traditional relational database to TaranHouse, as well as the speed gains that can be realized. We'll begin by showing a SQL query run in a traditional database, and then we'll show you the same query run in TaranHouse. After that, we'll show how well TaranHouse works with Tableau, the popular BI tool. So we'll start with some data in a Postgres database. Specifically, this is data for a fictional e-commerce store. We have fields for order ID, category, city, country, sales, etc. The table on the right, you can see the actual mock data. So here's profit, quantity, region, segment. You get the idea. So now we'll proceed to our sample SQL query, which will run in the console. As you can see, it's quite complex. It features an inner join and other properties, and it calculates profit and sales. So let's run that. So this is the query on Postgres before we're adding TaranHouse. As you can see, it takes 5 seconds and 156 milliseconds. Next, we're going to prepare our Postgres data to import into TaranHouse. First, we'll do a simple dump. Then we'll select the schema from the table and copy it. Then we'll switch over to TaranHouse. Once we bring our schema into TaranHouse, we have to add a few parameters. One being column orientation. In TaranHouse, you actually have a choice between column and row. We're also distributing by category. The next thing we'll do is restore our Postgres dump. So here you can see the data that we restored from our dump. Now we need to go get our SQL query from Postgres and bring it into TaranHouse. Let's run the query and see what we get. So as you can see, it executes in 1 second and 547 milliseconds, which is significantly faster than the 5 seconds and 156 milliseconds that it took to execute in Postgres. So now that we've demonstrated the speed advantages of TaranHouse over a traditional database, we're going to show a little bit about how it works in Tableau. So let's switch frames. So this is the exact same data in Tableau. This is using Tableau in extract mode, which downloads data to Tableau's embedded server from TaranHouse, which isn't nearly as fast as going straight to TaranHouse from Tableau, as you'll see. So here we are in a product drill down. You can see the pop-up, which reflects the amount of time the query is taking. Next, we'll proceed to a customer analysis. We'll look at shipping trends. Then performance. As you can see, we have multiple dimensions for this query. Next, we'll look at a sales forecast. Now we're going to switch to live mode from extract mode Extract mode called from an embedded server in Tableau after data was pulled in from TaranHouse, whereas live mode calls straight from TaranHouse, and it's a lot faster, as you'll see. So these are the exact same queries that we ran in extract mode, but in live mode. And as you can see, they're way faster. There are no pop-ups. You don't have to waste your time waiting for queries to generate. So whether you're using the command line or your favorite BI tool like Qlik, TaranHouse makes your analytics faster and allows you to unlock insights from across your data sources. If you're ready to get started, please fill out the form on this page to begin your free trial and experience it for yourself.